Hi friends, welcome to Science with Ayazullah. And friends, today we are going to do the egg drop challenge. So friends, let's start. So friends, for doing the egg drop challenge, you will need a bowl of water, a pear or an egg, cardboard roll, and a paper plate. You can even use any plate, steel or a frisbee, but it should be like this. So friends, let's start. Now friends, we have to first take the bowl of water, keep it here and place a paper plate on the bowl. And next you have to keep the roll at the center of the plate. And friends, now you have to place the pear or an egg. I will next show you with an egg. A pear I'm placing here. Now you have to hit it so that the paper plates come out, and even it takes the cardboard roll. I'll come here to hit it. See friends, the cardboard roll and the paper plate are here, and the pear is in the bowl. Now I'll show you it with an egg. See friends, now I'll hit it and the egg will straight go into the bowl. See friends, the egg went into the bowl. This is the egg drop challenge. Now friends, let's see the explanation for this experiment. So friends, now let's see the explanation of the experiment. First we'll see what is inertia. Inertia describes the energy that is needed for an object to move or stop from moving. As the paper plate and the paper roll has less inertia, that means it's lightweight, it moved from its way, it moved from the place fast. And as the egg or the pears has more inertia, that means it's heavy, it was pulled by the gravity and fell into the bowl. So friends, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. And do try this experiment at home. Thank you for watching.